All right, everyone. Welcome to part 2 of our daily charting session, no? As I mentioned in part 1, I'm just trying to catch up kasi sa mga nag-request last week since marami akong hindi napagbigyan, no? Kaya 2 parts yung daily charting session natin for today. So again, if hindi nyo pa po alam what we do here, we typically look at either yung mga trending names, meaning yung mga pangalan na malaki yung ginalaw, whether to the upside or to the downside, or perhaps malaki yung value traded, or in general lang mas minamatahan ng mga tao. Also, tumatanggap din po tayo ng mga chart requests, and as you can see, I do strive my best para mapagbigyan lahat ng nagre-request, no? So please feel free to let me know kung ano man yung mga request nyo in the comment section below. Or kung meron po kayong mga tanong, meron kayong mga concerns, please feel free to post them in the comment section below as well. Okay? So we'll start off this video with MAC. So yung MAC, ang nangyari was we were ranging in this area here, di ba? We were doing that here as well. We broke up, hindi kinaya, hindi nag-hold. We broke back down, traded within this range again. Tapos we broke back up. Tapos ngayon, nag-pull back na naman. We are back within this range once again. In this candle here, nagpakita tayo ng sign that we wanted to go back. Nagkaroon ng rejection. Pero in this candle here, pinakita naman natin na we're trying to push higher. So what we're trying to see now is talaga nga bang kakayanin na natin mag-trade above itong range na to? That's from mga 5.75, no? More or less. And kaya ba nating basagin tong 6 pesos na area? If let's say we're able to do so, then the next resistance we're looking at is 6.6, yung na-form na resistance from the previous time that we tried to break upwards. If however, from here, we roll over, break beneath tong 5.35 na low, then I think we come back to the bottom end of the range here, around 4.94 to 5 pesos na area, no? So that's something that we should be watching out for dito sa MAC. Kung mabasag tong 4.94 altogether, then we might come back and revisit tong mga lows here, all the way down dito sa level of support at 3.91. Okay? So that's what we're watching out for dito sa MAC. Next, tignan po natin yung PNB. So PNB was also a requested chart. So PNB, essentially, we have been ranging within this wider range. Tapos nag-tighten ng konti, nag-consolidate tayo sa area na to. However, if you really look at it, ano nga ba yung nangyayari? Ever since we got here between 19.82 and 21.6, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga minor overshoots along the way, like this one and this one. But more or less, we have been trading within that range. Diba? We have been caught between 19.82 to 21.6. So what I want to see from here para maging mas bullish ako dito sa PNB is number 1, we need to trade above 21.6 and start holding above it. Then if mabasag natin yung nag-form na high dito around 22.4, 22.5, then we could possibly come back and target yung previous resistance at 23.5. Now, I won't be so bold as to say na we're gonna do this gap fill. Ang laki nung gap na yan di ba? So, along the way, we expect to encounter some types of resistance, but it's hard to say where that will be dahil nga ang laki nung naging gap natin dito. Okay? All we can do is anticipate and wait to see ano yung mga structure na pwede mag-form along the way para mabigyan tayo ng mga guideposts sa binabantayan natin or mga gusto natin or ayaw natin makita na mangyari dito sa PNB. However, if we break beneath tong 19.82, diba? Ito yung pwede natin maging support. Okay? So that's around 19 pesos. And if mabasag yung 19 pesos altogether, then bagong low na naman tayo. And again, new price exploration. Where we go, we don't know. We're gonna have to wait for further structure to develop should that happen. Next, tignan po natin yung MWC. So, itong MWC, we had a strong move to the upside here, consolidated in this area in a wide range, fell beneath tong support natin at 23.10, retested it from this candle, hindi kinaya, broke back down, form a new low, then we're pushing back up now and we're looking to see kung mag-hold ba tong 23.10 na area na to. Kahit na maglagpas yung price dito, meron pa rin tayong area of previous consolidation around here, no? So, pwede pa rin siya umangat mauntog dyan, tas mag-roll over. However, feeling ko, if we move up, mauntog, mag-hold tong 23.10, then we're gonna be coming back to within this range here. May stock na naman tayo dito. Okay? Kung makabawi siya. Kung mabalikan niya to, mauntog, mag-hold tayo above 23.10. However, if mauntog tayo sa 23.10 or dito sa area of consolidation na to, we roll over, break beneath tong na-form na low at around 21 pesos. 21.4, sorry. Then our next level of support is around 20.85 and then 18.88. Okay? Kung bumalik man ang price sa range na to, obviously that's not gonna be uber bullish still. Okay, para maging bullish talaga, we need to break above tong high at 28 pesos so we can go up and target 30 and so on. Alright? Next, tignan naman po natin yung Bloom, no? So, Bloom, also our requested chart. I guess kasi yun nga, we went up, came back down, consolidated a bit, and then we broke higher, no? So, the movement in price could be because of yung deletion niya sa index, diba? So, nag-rebalance lang ng konti. So, we just need to be wary of the possible resistances along the way and the possible supports. Right now, I can see na may area of previous consolidation here where price could pull back into. And if we do pull back in there, try to move back up, mauntog ulit, then roll down, then I think we're gonna come back to this previous range from before. So, that's from mga 6 pesos, 5.9 na area hanggang 6.75, no? However, if we can hold firmly above tong 6.75, then the next level of resistance we're looking at is itong 7.28. We have a very nice inflection point here where it acted both as resistance, support, support, no? And if mabasag natin yon, the next potential target will be 8.05. Okay? Now, will it go straight up? Dire-diretso hanggang dyan? We don't know. But kailangan lang maingat tayo. Kung sakali man bumili kayo because of the rebalancing and you're hoping that it moves higher, be sure to trail your stops lang accordingly. Syempre, congratulations na may kita na kayo, pero it doesn't mean that we should let our guard down, no? Trail your stops accordingly para kahit anong mangyari man yung masama, at least handa tayo. Diba? Hindi natin maibabalik sa merkado yung karamihan ng kinita natin. And then finally, let's take a quick look at DMC. So DMC, nag-range pa rin tayo dito sa area na to where we discussed before na it was currently ranging, no? Hindi naman naaagulat kasi meron talagang level here and here. Bakit may level? Dito tayo nag-form ng resistance, dito tayo nag-form ng support bago bumaksak yung price, di ba? So hindi naaagulat na we are trapped within this range right now. We tried to break above it, nauntog tayo dito sa white zone na to, sa candle na to, nagkaroon tayo ng rejection, di ba? Now, price is rolling over. If we can break beneath etong 8.32 na low, it wouldn't surprise me kung balikan natin yung bottom end of the range around 8.11. Okay, and if mabasag yung 8.11, then highly likely we come back to this range from before, from 7.25 hanggang 8.11, while taking a note of may mga minor supports na nag-form along the way. However, if we can break above itong white zone na to, okay, then highly likely we come back to target tong 9.42, and if we can break that 9.71, yung next level of resistance na tinitignan natin. Okay, right now it's still ranging here, it's still looking bullish, no? It's looking like it's gonna push higher, but again, I want to see it break above this white zone para mas tumaas talaga yung chances na matarget natin tong 9.42 next. Sa mga naghahanap ng potential buy on dips, then, tignan natin kung yun nga, mabasag nga ba tong 8.4, 8.32 na area. And if we can dip deeper, kung mag-hold yung support, then perhaps, if pasok yun sa mga parameters nyo, pasok yun sa system nyo, then go ahead, no? Pero syempre, kung hindi, iwas tayo. Kasi syempre, disiplina pa rin yung pinaka-importanting aspeto sa pagtitrade. Alright? So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin, no? I hope nakatulong to sa inyo kahit papano and may natutunan kayo kahit konti, no? And I hope kahit paano ay nakaka-catch up ako sa mga chart requests nyo. No? I know I've missed a couple, but I'll get to those within this week. And as always, guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!